Hi everybody, welcome to this afternoon's live broadcast here by MyGrowth OnPoint Coaching. My name is Elmarie. I'm going to chat to you quickly about Bitcoin and a few altcoins. There's not much happening. It's always very volatile just before the weekend, and then the weekend it quiets down. It's actually not a good idea to trade too much over the weekend, but volatility often gives us some great opportunities to enter shorts or longs. So let's see what's up this weekend, except of course for our pizza event tomorrow. We're going to start at 2 o'clock at the Boardwalk Office Park in Pretoria. Going to meet and greet a few traders, have pizza, trade together, and just share some strategies. So if you're in the area, come join us. It's great fun just to have a little break for Friday afternoon. If we look at Bitcoin, we can see it's at the moment jumping skip rope up and down on this support line at the moment. The support is not very strong. It's not holding very well. Personally, I think the candle that we are seeing here on the daily is sort of a bull trap. Even if we look on the 4 hour, you can see it's heading upwards now, and right now we are experiencing some upwards momentum in the altcoins as well. But my personal forecast is that it's definitely going to come down to test this downsloping trend line over here, and then go up for a longer term. For the short term, I think it's hunting everybody. You will also see, if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, the Bitcoin foothold in the market is picking up with a hype right now, and if you have a look at the DXY index, you can see clearly why. It's because the US dollar is losing strength for some reason, and then usually cryptos goes up simply because the money flows from the US dollar to the stock markets and then to the crypto markets. But it might be temporary relief, but of course it's always good even to leverage off that. So if you could find a quick scalp, that might be nice. ACH is looking good. We spoke about it on Tuesday, and you can now see it's this candle pattern. If another green candle forms on the 4 hour looking similar to these two, then we refer to that as 3 white soldiers, and that's usually a very strong reversal sign to the upside. And then we can hunt the targets to up to this resistance level over here in this area. You can see the MACD is turning and the stochastic RSI is turning to the upside. A volume seems to be coming into the market. We can just confirm that quickly. Yeah, you can see the volume is also on the rise here. It's not as strong as we had with these nice candles over here. You can see there was a good run in ACH, but we had huge momentum in the market. So the momentum is not yet there, and even that is another red flag for a looming bull trap, because there's not enough volume to justify the spike. So it's a few institutions pushing the price up at the moment. So please keep tight stop losses. If you do long the market today, really keep a strong stop loss. I just want to show you on another chart that I have available here. This blue indicator is called the Bollinger Band, and you can see ever since it hit the peak over here on last week Friday, for the entire week now, Bitcoin has been trapped in this narrowing Bollinger Band. And it's usually after a squeeze like this, we see very violent moves to the up or the downside. You can see even here, while it was going sideways in this Bollinger Band, and then we had a squeeze over here, it pretended to come down and then violently moved to the upside. So just bear in mind that the same thing can happen now in the opposite direction, because here we got our buy signal on the 16th of June, and it's been carrying on for quite some time now. So it's time for this buy signal to flip to a sell signal. And my guess is it's going to happen over the weekend. I don't anticipate that Bitcoin will spike to the upside out of this Bollinger Squeeze. I think it's going to come down and we're going to get a sell signal over here. You will see in the past, I can show you where it happened. You can see right there we had a sideways squeeze for quite some time. It had a nice move to the upside, tested the resistance line, and you can see for how long that buy signal has lasted with a positive momentum. And while it was in the squeeze, we received the sell signal and it came down with interest. And the same pattern is evident right now. There was your squeeze, or the narrow Bollinger Band. It touched the bottom indicator of the Bollinger, went violently up, and now it's in the sideways channel trapped here in the Bollinger Band. And like I say, the buy signal was already flagged over here. We are really very close to a sell signal, and then coming down all the way back to test this support line. Previously resistance, it's now support. It will come back to test that. So be careful, trade carefully during the weekend. Please come and visit us tomorrow afternoon, 2 o'clock. Have pizza with us and tell us what's your trading strategy. We love to learn from each other. And then 2 o'clock this afternoon, we're going to have a live Zoom. If you are available, you're more than welcome. Invite your friends, hop on the Zoom, and let's chat crypto and trading. Have a great weekend and trade safe.